All right, so check out this outdoor solar table lamp that right over here that we're going to be doing a review about, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we're going to be doing a review about. And this right over here is definitely a game changer to have in your home. I absolutely love this and I use this every single day. So this right over here is outdoors, and you can see this is really high quality. You can see right over here, if I take this off, you can see the metal quality on how beautiful this thing looks like, and you could dismantle it and take it off just like that. So I'm gonna pull this out right over here. You can see this is how you install it. So it's really simple and easy, and I love the quality. It's like a metal quality, like durable, like a hard shell plastic material, and it really looks nice, the silver finish right over here. And you can see the backing of it here as well too. We are going to stick this on just like that. You can see there's an on and off switch right over here, you can see. So if I zoom this in right over here, you can see the on and off right over here. So if I press the tab right here, it closes, it turns off. I press this again, you can see it turns on. And you can see if I move the chain, it has 3 different lighting modes. Not only this, but this also is IP44 waterproof as well too. So this right over here, it could withstand against water as well too. So during those rainy days, and if you put this outdoors in your backyard or your patio, this would definitely endure the water and all of that. So it is water resistant, but I absolutely love this. You can see we're gonna start with setting number 1. You can see this, and then right over here, setting number 2. And then last but not least, setting number 3. You can see how bright this thing is. I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that it's definitely a game changer to have, especially if the lights go out, or if you're doing like camping or something like that and you're looking for like a cordless outdoor table lamp. Then this right over here is by far one of the best ones to get. Like I told you guys before, I've been using this for quite a while now. The metal quality on this is really high quality. You can see as I'm tapping it, really high quality and absolutely stunning and beautiful. If you're looking for a outdoor cordless table lamp, if for example the lights go out or you're doing camping or something, you're looking for some lights, this thing right over here is by far one of the best products to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.